Hello everybody, welcome and greetings of the day. Continuing with these raw materials used in herbal formulations, we are going to discuss today a very important raw material which is used in herbal formulations, the sweeteners, flavors and perfumes. So, these raw materials are responsible for driving the product. This connects the product with the consumer. The flavor and perfume are so specific related to a particular brand and product that it immediately connects with the consumer. Perfumes and fragrances, there is a sensory appeal with the consumer. Let us look at different reasons why these sweeteners, flavors and perfumes have to be introduced or have to be incorporated in a formulation. So, these are natural fragrances from essential oils. These perfumes and fragrances are essential oils, essential in the sense they have an essence or aroma, for example lavender, rose, sandalwood, and they make the products more pleasant and luxurious to use. The aromatherapy benefits associated with these herbal formulations offer a mood enhancing effect like calming or boosting moods and causing an alertness. They also help in masking herbal odors. So, suppose the formulation has an herb which has a very pungent odor like for example neem or the resins from turmeric, they have very strong and bitter smell. So, when these perfumes are added to a formulation, they help to mask these strong odors. Then there is a brand identity with these odors. Signature scents help differentiate products and build an emotional connection with the consumer. So, suppose a consumer has started using a particular herbal cosmetic or a formulation and gets used to this odor or fragrance, then it becomes part of that consumer's daily lifestyle. Hence, it builds and connect. It is like a partner for that consumer to use this product. Sweeteners when used enhance the taste. So, in oral care products like herbal toothpastes or lip balms, sweeteners are used. For example, stevia or honey is used which improve palatability. It acts as a natural humectant. Some sweeteners like honey or glycerine also act as moisturizers, help to retain the skin hydration. Not only this, but when sweeteners are used in a topical skin formulation, they also help in protecting the skin flora by acting as a probiotic. Hence, these sweeteners are very important therapeutically also when incorporated into the formulation. They also have an additional preservative action. Certain sweeteners, especially honey, which have mild antimicrobial properties, they aid in product stability. These flavors increase the consumer acceptance and they are very much essential in edible or oral cosmetics. These flavors when used give a natural identity to the product. For example, mint, clove, cinnamon when used in the formulation rings a bell in the consumer's mind saying that these products are natural. The functional synergy, flavors often come from active herbs themselves contributing both to taste and therapeutic effects. They boost the marketability, making herbal products more competitive against that the synthetic counterparts available. Integrated impact in herbal cosmetics. So, when these natural flavors, perfumes are added, they bridge the functionality and the user experience. They enhance the compliance, especially in therapeutic or daily use products. They support holistic wellness, very, very important when consumers today are using these products, aligning with Ayurvedic and natural healing principles. So, when products like clove is used, it not only acts as a flavor, but also has a lot of therapeutic benefits coming along with it. They boost the marketability, making herbal products more competitive against their synthetic alternatives. Sweeteners, coming to the first raw material, the natural sweeteners are sugar substitutes derived from natural sources such as plants, fruits or honey. They provide sweetness but may contain fewer calories compared to refined sugar. So, the role of natural sweeteners when used, they enhance the sensory appeal. So, when we do not want to add extra calories or extra sugar to a formulation, we can use these natural sweeteners, more preferred for diabetic patients or people who are calorie conscious. They act as natural humectants when used in topical formulations. They provide conditioning and soothing effects. They improve the product texture. They serve as natural safe additive and they exhibit microbial and healing properties. They are effective in small concentration when used. So, when we are choosing a natural sweetener, we should look at the ideal properties which this natural sweetener offers when we use in the formulation. They should be stable at wide range of temperature. Prolonged use of this agent should not produce any carcinogenic effect. Very, very important fact when we compare it with these synthetic sweeteners. And when these are used, they provide a low calorie value. They are compatible with other ingredients in the formulation because all these are obtained from natural sources. Let us look at few examples obtained from natural sources which can substitute the extra sugar added in the formulation. The first among them is stevia. Though stevia is a native of South America, a lot of stevia is now cultivated in India and the source for this is the leaves of Stevia rebaudiana. The active components in stevia which are responsible for giving or imparting the sweet taste is the steviol glycosides, responsible for the intense sweetness and which is around 2 to 300 times or that of sugar. So, it is very, very advantageous when we use stevia as a natural sweetener as compared to the sugar which is added. Apart from that, this is a non-calorie sweetener and ideal for all herbal formulations. So, whether it is an oral edible cosmetic or the one which is applied on the skin, this can be used in lot of herbal formulations. It masks the bitter herbal actives and enhances the taste, especially when used in lip balms, glosses and toothpastes. Exhibits antioxidant and antimicrobial activities supporting the skin protection and product stability. It has a mild soothing effect and contributes to skin conditioning in topical preparations. A very commonly drug found in India is licorice or jeshtamad, what we call in local language. This is derived from the roots or rhizomes of Glycyrrhiza glabra belonging to family Fabaceae, and this is how the roots of licorice look like. They contain glycyrrhizin, a triterpenoid saponin which is responsible for its intense sweetness, and this is about 50 times sweeter than sugar. This acts as a natural sweetener when used in herbal formulation. It is a flavor enhancer. So, we have a lot of these herbal formulations in the market, not only used as cosmetics, but they can be used as oral edible products also. They act as flavor enhancer, improving taste and sensory acceptance in oral and lip care products. It exhibits a strong anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and antioxidant properties which is beneficial for the sensitive or irritated skin. Provides a skin brightening effect. A lot of herbal cosmetics use licorice for skin brightening by inhibiting tyrosinase and reducing the melanin formation. It helps soothe and calm the skin and reduces redness and irritation. Thaumatin, another important sweetener used to replace the sugar in herbal formulations. This is extracted, these are the fruits of thaumatin, and this is extracted from the fruits of Thaumatococcus danieli. It is the actives present in thaumatin are thaumatin 1 and 2, which are 1300 to 3000 times sweeter than sugar. This acts as natural protein based sweetener and a flavor enhancer, improving the taste and mouth feel in oral and lip care formulations. This also possesses a film forming and conditioning ability. So, this property makes it an important ingredient in all topical formulation, which contributes to a smooth texture in cosmetic preparations. They are biocompatible, non-toxic, aligning with natural and clean label cosmetic trends. The monk fruit, again a natural sweetener used. This is obtained from dry fruits of Serratia grosvenori. This contains a natural glycoside which is responsible for its natural sweetness, and this is approximately 150 to 250 times sweeter than sucrose. This serves as a calorie free sweetener ideal for herbal and clean beauty formulations. It provides a pleasant flavor, it has a mild aromatic flavor and masks the bitterness in oral and lip care products. It contributes to product preservation stability due to mild antimicrobial potential. This is commonly used in flavored lip balms, glosses, toothpastes and mouthwashes. Another very commonly used sweetener to replace our sugar is honey. A natural sweet, cannot be called totally herbal, but a sweetener used from natural source, and this is a viscous substance which is produced by Apis mellifera, but these bees collect it from the plant. Hence, it is partially herbal, but the preparation is done by these honey bees, and this comes from the nectar of flowers. So, it contains fructose, glucose, it provides natural sweetness and humectant properties. It also contains some amino acids, vitamins and enzymes, nourishes and regenerates the skin when used in herbal formulations. This acts as a natural sweetener and a flavoring agent. It enhances the taste and sensory appeal in lip and oral care products. Humectants and emollients, it retains the moisture, softens and smoothens the skin. It is an excellent antioxidant, antimicrobial and thus protects the skin and is used in many formulations which need to be used for antimicrobial properties. It also has a soothing and healing effect which aids in calming irritated skin and promoting tissue repair. These are some of the marketed products used as using natural sweeteners. For example, the Himalaya herbal lip balm, the brand is Himalaya Wellness. Honey is used in lip care product. Then the Biotic brand which uses honey in facial cleansers. So, these are some of the natural herbal formulations which use these sweeteners. Then there is Khadi Natural which uses honey and glycerin in lip care products. Forest Essential, a famous company claiming to use herbs or natural products. This uses honey and raw cane sugar. This has less calories as compared to the refined sugar, and the category of herbal formulation is lip care products which are used in nourishment and mild exfoliation of the lips. Patanjali uses glycerine and is used in skin care gel products which helps in skin hydration and as humectants. Mama Earth, which is also known for its natural products, uses honey as moisturizer, which helps in deep nourishment and skin barrier support. Vico Vajradanti, an age old brand known for natural ingredients, uses stevia in oral care, and this is used for sweetening. Coming to the next group of natural ingredient, which is very important in connecting this herbal formulation to the consumer, is a flavor. So, the FDA defines natural flavors as essential oils, oleoresin or essence. Essence is something which reaches the olfactory and helps us identify or connect to the formulation, or it is an extractive protein hydrolysate, a distillate which is obtained from a herb or a natural source and generally derived from a spice, a fruit or a fruit juice or a vegetable or part of the plant, a bud, root, leaf or similar plant material. So, in simple terms, flavors are natural or nature identical aromatic substances which are used in cosmetic formulation to impart a pleasant taste or aroma, improving the sensory experience and consumer acceptance of the product. What is the role of the flavor when used in herbal formulation? It helps in masking unpleasant odors or taste of certain actives used in the formulation. It is used as aromatherapeutic agents, a brand identity for some of the formulation which connects the consumer, functional and therapeutic role other than the flavor, and it enhances the sensory appeal. Ideal properties of flavor when used should not be toxic, it should be non-toxic, non-carcinogenic and non-irritant. It must have a strong, pleasant and characteristic aroma or taste, should have adequate solubility in intended medium, should not react chemically with other ingredients, should be compatible with majority of the ingredients used, should not evaporate quickly or early from the product. So, it should stay stably in the formulation used. The most commonly used flavor which is there and grown largely in India are is obtained from the leaves and flowering tops of Mentha piperita. There are different species of Mentha which are used, and the peppermint oil makes a very strong flavor. Menthol, which is present in the oil, is the primary component which provides a cooling sensation and characteristic. So, this is used in many shampoos, many herbal skin cosmetics, which gives a cooling effect when used. It also gives a mint aroma. Menthone and limonene also contribute to the flavor, fragrance and the biological activity. It serves as a natural calorie free slightly sweetener, ideal for herbal and beauty formulations. The next flavor very commonly used is orange. Orange oil obtained from the rind or the external peel. So, the center part is pectin, this orange color rind. That is why when we peel an orange, when we break the orange peel, the oil cell is ruptured and you get that aroma. So, whenever somebody is eating an orange, when an orange is peeled, because the oil cell is ruptured, immediately the oil reaches through the olfactory, it is sensed. The active components are limonene, there is hesperidine or flavonoid also present. It provides antioxidant properties, while myrcene, linalool, alpha pinene contribute to the fragrance, antimicrobial and soothing effects. This also imparts a mild aromatic sweet aroma, uplifting the citrus aroma in cosmetics and oral care. It protects the skin from oxidative damage and promotes even tone. It is refreshing, mood lifting and soothing in topical and oral formulations when used. Vanilla, a very common flavor used in food products and also in cosmetics. So, there are many skin cosmetics which use vanilla flavor. So, the minute we hear this word vanilla gives a very soothing, pleasant thought to the mind. This is obtained from the pods of Vanilla planifolia belonging to family Orchidaceae. So, the family name is because of these vanilla orchid flowers which are present on the pods of vanilla. Vanillin is a primary compound responsible for sweet aroma and flavor. The other phenolic compounds are para-hydroxybenzoic acid and vanillic acid, which contribute to the antioxidant property of vanillin. This imparts a pleasant creamy aroma and taste when used in lip care and oral products. It enhances the sensory appeal in topical formulations, provides a relaxing and comforting sensory experience when used. Cardamom, this grows largely in southern India, and the source of cardamom oil are the fruits of Elatoria cardamomum belonging to family Gingiberaceae. This is rich in 1,8-cineol, alpha terpineol, limonin and sabinin, and responsible for aroma and therapeutic actions. This adds a sweet, slightly spicy and refreshing aroma and taste to oral and lip care products. This protects the formulation from microbial growth and oxidative damage. So, they are used as antioxidants and antimicrobial agents. Calms the skin and provides a pleasant cooling sensation. It improves overall the user experience with its exotic specific aroma. Ginger, obtained from dried or fresh rhizome of Gingiber officinalis, and this is an oleo resin which is obtained from the rhizome. Gingerol and shagol, these are two main bioactive components which are responsible for the pungency and antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property. So, whenever ginger oil is used, this imparts a slightly stringent and pungent odor. This contributes to aroma, flavor and antimicrobial effects. It enhances the antioxidant and skin protective activity. Sabinin is another constituent which is responsible for aroma and therapeutic actions. This is used as a sweet, spicy and refreshing aroma in oral and lip care products. Calms the skin and provides a pleasant cooling sensation. Overall improves the experience of the user. These are some of the products available. Peppermint in some of the product, cardamom, ginger and vanilla, which is used in lot of skin preparations. Some of the marketed products available, Dabur uses clove and mint in oral care products, Himalaya uses pomegranate, neem and clove in oral care, Vico uses licorice and cinnamon, Biotic uses mixed fruit extracts in lip care products, Mama Earth uses cherry and strawberry in lip care products, Colgate uses cardamom, clove and fennel in oral care products, then Organic India uses tulsi, mint and fennel. So, these are some of the natural herbs which are used in different herbal formulations and used for different functions. The third category, which is called the perfume, which again is a very important raw material used in herbal formulations. These are blended aromatic substances composed of natural or synthetic ingredients that imparts a pleasant and long lasting fragrance to the entire body or the body part where it is used. So, in cosmetics, these perfumes are added to enhance sensory appeal, mask unpleasant odors and create a distinctive identity for the formulation. This enhances the sensory appeal, masks unpleasant odor, provides psychological and emotional benefits, an aroma therapeutic value, and it is used in skin care, hair care, oral care, body care and hygiene products. So, this is the role of perfumes when used in herbal cosmetics or formulation. The ideal properties of a perfume should impart a pleasant, appealing and enduring aroma without being overpowering. It must be safe on the skin and mucosal membrane, causing no irritation, allergy or sensitization, should remain chemically stable and compatible with different ingredients used in the formulation, should resist degradation from light, heat, air and moisture, must not leave any color residue or stain on the skin, hair or cloth, should exhibit a balanced top, middle and base note evaporation for long lasting profile. All different kind of flowers are used as perfumes. The essential oil obtained from rose, different species of rose belonging to family Rosaceae, and the active components responsible for the flavor are citronellal, geraniol and nerol, which provide a sweet floral fragrance. It acts as a natural perfume and is used in creams, lotions, soaps and perfumes, imparts a pleasant refreshing floral aroma to skin and hair care products, and it is commonly used as rose water, face packs, massage creams or body mists. Jasmine oil, which is obtained from jasmine flower, Jasminum officinale belonging to family Oleaceae, and the active constituents present is benzyl acetate, which gives a characteristic sweet floral jasmine aroma. Linalool and linaloyl acetate also provide a soothing and calming fragrance with mild antimicrobial activity. There are indole and jasmonates which contribute to the flavor, and this is used as natural perfume and fragrance enhancers in creams, lotions, soaps and body oils. It provides a luxurious long lasting floral scent that enhances sensory appeal. Commonly used in perfumes, massage oils, hair serums and facial creams. Sandalwood oil. There is now a strict ban on collection and cultivation of sandalwood, but this is a very common cosmetic ingredient. Essential oil obtained from heartwood of Santalum album, alpha santalol and beta santalol, which are terpenes responsible for the flavor or aroma. They are sesquiterpenes, contain 3 isoprene units. Santalene and santalene contribute to the depth and fixative quality of the aroma. This is used as a woody scent. It is a natural perfume and fixative used in long lasting warm woody scent, possesses soothing and antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, and it is beneficial in used in topical formulations. So, used in large number of creams, soaps, face packs, perfumes and massage oils. Lavender oil obtained by steam distillation from the flowering tops of Lavandula angustifolia belonging to family Lamiaceae, and the active constituents are linalool, linaloyl acetate, which imparts this mild nice fragrance to the formulations. There is also small amount of camphor and 1/8 cineol, which also provide mild antiseptic and refreshing properties. This is used as a natural perfume in creams, lotions, shampoos and soaps, provides aromatherapy, relaxing, reducing stress and promoting better sleep quality. It also is used in massage oils, bath products and aromatherapy formulations. Some of the marketed products using these natural perfumes, and here is a table which lists out some of the market products which are available. The Nargis flower extract, which is used in body mist, which gives a nice aroma for mood lifting. Rose distillate used as toners for skin smoothing. Musk root, again by Biotech, which is used in hair care and used on scalp and hair. The soul flower and lavender oil, which is used in aromatherapy. Vetiver, which is an oil obtained from the grass used in facial mist, gives a very cooling and grounding fragrance. Mandarin peel and vetiver oil, again used by Just Herbs company, gives a citrus and woody blend. And Devon Herbals, which uses herbal fragrance blend used in hair care, lavender, which is used by Organic Harvest in body washes. A few examples of marketed products. What is the difference between flavor and perfume? Generally, flavors are used when the product is intended for oral use, and we say perfume when it is used for an external use. So, substances derived from natural sources used to enhance taste. So, flavors act on the taste bud, a perfume acts on the olfactory or the smell. These are used in edible products, whereas perfumes are used in cosmetics, personal care. So, these are more or less external products. This acts on taste bud, this is on the olfactory. Examples: mint, clove, cinnamon, vanilla, citrus, and here the example is rose, lavender, sandalwood, vetiver and patchouli. And the regulatory bodies, the FSI and FDA regulate the flavors which are used for oral use, and here the BIS and IFRA regulate the natural perfumes. This improves palatability, masks bitterness, whereas the perfumes used enhance aroma, masks unpleasant herbal odors. The natural flavors are linked with the consumer and are ingestible, whereas here they represent a brand. Summarizing, the natural sweeteners are natural sugars and are used as sugar substitutes. So, stevia, honey, licorice, tomatin, monk fruit, they enhance the taste, palatability and sensory appeal in herbal formulations. Flavors are natural aromatic substances from herbs, fruits, spices, and they are used to improve aroma and flavor. Perfumes like rose, jasmine, sandal and lavender mask unpleasant odor and provide aromatherapeutic benefits. So, the overall importance of all three elevate the sensory experience, consumer satisfaction, therapeutic value of herbal cosmetic products while maintaining a natural and safe profile. Some of the references used. Thank you for a patient listening.